Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you guys today how to create optimizations for your app. Whatever app that you built, say you had an idea, you built it out with Codex, but now it's kind of slow and sluggish. Like you want this thing to be snappy. You want it to be snappy. You want it to be optimized. So what I'm going to do, so I have this voice app. Okay, so here I'll show you. Hey, I'm going to need you to do something with my VoiceForge app. We're going to run some optimizations. Wait for the next prompt. So right here, we're going to, because one thing that happens with this is sometimes it hallucinates and it gives me like words at the end of my sentence that doesn't make sense, or the grammar, the punctuation is a little bit off sometimes. Now, I had already run these optimizations on the Linux version because I have a Linux box that I run as well. That's the operating system. Now this is on a Mac. And so I need to basically optimize it for the Mac as well. So what I'm going to do, I have this prompt saved in my notes. So I'm going to paste this into the box here. So basically what it says is, first, read all of the AGENTS.md file and README.md file super carefully and understand all of both. And it's funny because you think that using these terminologies of, using like exclamation points and other things like that, that it wouldn't be such a big deal. But it actually is. It actually is, and I'll tell you why. Because AI learns kind of like humans do. And so you have to kind of like, you got to give them that extra little bit, right? So we're using all of them both. Then use your code investigation agent mode to fully understand the code and technical architecture and purpose of the project. So we have a lot of information in the agents.md file and the readme.md file about how our agents are supposed to behave, right? So we want them to have a full reference of how we're telling them that we want them to behave. They're going to read it super carefully, understand all of them both. Now they're going to fully understand the architecture of this project, the VoiceForge project. Now apply profiling software performance so we can understand the performance hotspots under real world usage, and then start optimizing them using extreme software optimization. So there's two skills. There's the profiling skill or optimization skill. We're going to press enter here. Oh, go. Okay. So now let's go. So this is going to take a while to run. That's going to be the first part. Now there's a second prompt that I'm going to run with it. Pull up my notes. So now we copy this. And now I'm just going to have this locked and loaded ready for when this finishes. So after this goes through its thing, which is going to probably take about 20 to 30 minutes, then I say, okay, let's repeatedly apply, using repeatedly apply skill. So that's another skill, the extreme software optimization skill, systematically to focus on the critical items uncovered in the profile. So now this is going to basically repeatedly apply the optimizations that it finds. And at the end of it, you're going to have a much better software. Actually, I should actually emphasize something for this first round, so it knows Okay, so we had already run these optimizations on the Linux box. Now we are going to run them for the Mac Mini specifically, so that the Mac Mini, because we've been running into some issues with hallucinations, and it's just not as clean and cut as the one that we have on the Linux. I'm just going to tell them that, just so that it updates. So anyway, this isn't something that you want to start with at the beginning of your project, but this is at the end of your project. You built it out, all the features and stuff, and this is just going to tighten everything up. It's going to make everything a lot faster, a lot more efficient. And so I have skills for this on my website on BillBroSwaggins.com. There's performance